Police respond to a house after receiving a 911 call about a burglary in progress.
Stop right there.
What's going on? Whose house are you knocking in?
What?
Why are you knocking on that house? Do you live here?
No, this is where I stay at. As in, where I stay at.
This is where you stay at?
Yes.
You have your ID on you?
Yeah, well, I'm actually getting it confiscated with my baby daddy.
Okay, who lives here?
Well, who lives here? We have confiscated.
3024, we're going to tell the subject appears to be pretty
We
soon too.
actually have actual, like, documents and everything. Like, we have straight documents. Like,
Have you been drinking him?
no ma'am.
Okay.
So that's why I'm trying to make sure that we have documents.
Okay.
Yeah.
But who's in this house right now? that you
Well,
know? What's the
right
name
now-
of the person that lives here?
The person who lives here right now, I don't have the issue who lives here right now, but they are the person who acts crazy.
Okay, who lives here? What's the name of the person that lives here? So why are you knocking in somebody's house that you don't know who lives there?
It was something different. So that's the only reason. That's the only reason.
How'd you get here? Where are you coming from?
Yesterday, I was getting ice cream. Honestly, I was getting ice cream. Honestly, that's it. I was just getting ice cream. That's it, baby. That's it. And then I was getting ice cream for my babies, which my babies get ice cream from them,
Okay.
which is
Did you drive here?
no,
Okay.
ma'am.
No, 54 then.
So where do you live?
No, I live literally like 2 blocks down. Literally like 2 blocks down.
Okay,
That's
give me your
why I
ID.
did.
Is this your bag here?
Yeah.
Let me see your
Yep, that's my bag. And then my
You have
bag.
your ID?
So my bag is because I'm homeless. My bag, it has an actual ID in it and everything.
Okay.
Do you have it, Dada?
You ain't got no idea.
Oh no. Dada, do you have it where we have the actual ID?
Who are you talking to? Is there someone else here?
What's your address? What's your address?
Your address.
No. What is your address?
Yours.
Okay.
No ID.
The signature. For the extreme.
Where do you live?
No ID.
Where do you sleep? Home. Where's home? You don't have a home? Like address?
No, we're going off of.
She hasn't walked very far. Her feet's not beat up.
She said she. When'd you get here?
Gorda.
Gorda.
That's just what it is.
So, where'd you come from? Where's your house?
Stephanie, what's your phone number? 561. Huh?
What's in her bag? Does she have a phone or
Nothing.
anything? No?
You want my bag?
Yeah,
Let me
do
see
you
what you
have,
have in your bag.
Okay.
do you have
Okay.
any ID in your bag? It's right here, right?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
No, your bag right here.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Okay.
Bag.
Okay.
Yep. Go ahead.
She was dancing on you, man.
No, I didn't see that.
You see her dancing?
No. No
She's
keys.
nobody.
Her feet are
Stephanie, where
that's
do
the
you live?
Oh,
Where your shoes at?
He showed him somebody he doesn't even know.
Okay. All right. No other pockets.
Show
in here?
him. Show him.
So what?
Stephanie,
Wow.
what's your phone number?
I'm trying to figure it out.
You don't have
Well-
a phone? You don't have a wallet?
Y'all don't got a phone. Y'all don't got a wallet. Y'all don't got a what? What y'all got?
How can I get you home? How can I get you
All
back
right,
home?
we're gonna get you home, but you
Oh,
gotta
we're
tell me where
gonna
you live.
get home. I know we're gonna get home.
Where is that?
Because at the end of the day, y'all don't got nothing on me.
That's why we want to take you
trying
home.
to take you home because you knocking in people's houses. You could get in trouble.
Who's gonna get in trouble?
You. You can't be knocking
Who's
in
gonna
nobody's
get in
houses.
trouble?
You.
Who's gonna get in trouble?
Stephanie.
Because at the end
Where
of
do
the
you
day,
live?
I love you. I love you.
Okay.
Like, I literally,
I love
like,
you too, but we need to get you
like,
home.
I literally, like, I tell my people, I'm like, yo, this my bitch. Like, this my nigga. Like, I'll be damned. I wish a bitch would when it comes to her.
Why did I get?
Like, be honest. Like, be honest. Like, let's be honest.
I'm being honest.
Tell
with
them,
you.
fuck them. I got it. Like, I got it. Let's go. Like, fuck them.
You know how to get back?
Yes.
Show me how.
We got it. Let's
How
go.
far? How far?
Yes, let's go.
You want your bag and your shoes?
I don't need it. Hey, I can take my purse, and
Yep.
also you can take your stuff, because at the end of the day you're needed. Like, you're needed to be I guess covered and stuff like that.
Where's your house?
You need to.
I need you to tell me where you live.
At the end
Help
of
me
the
out,
day,
help
if
me
you're
out,
gonna
help me
go
out.
with me, then you need to go with me. Cause at the end of the day, if you're not gonna go with me, then bitch, fuck you.
Okay.
So understand it.
She's gonna do this to like another house.
Yeah, we can't let her just walk off. She's gonna walk in the road and get smacked by a car.
Ain't nobody getting smacked by no car.
We're concerned about you, that's all.
Oh, you're such a petty ass bitch.
That's not nice.
That's fine.
That's not nice.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Oh, good night.
You want medics to check her out?
That's what you want, right? No, because that's what he wants.
You
Medic.
want fire rescue? You want ambulance?
Nope.
I think you do.
No.
She's got to sober up and
I don't need
Yeah, it
none.
come on, help us out. Tell us where you live so we can take you home.
No, I don't need none of it.
You need to tell us where you live.
Nope.
Come on, you don't
need
have.
none
What
of
happened?
it.
What happened to your ID? What happened to your ID?
Well, I guess you don't need none of it,
What
right?
happened to your ID?
Oh no, we don't need none of it. No, we're fine.
Relax, Steph.
Oh no, we're fine.
can't
It's
leave.
okay.
Relax.
It's
can't
okay. It's okay.
You gotta-
We
you
don't
gotta wait
need
with
none
us.
of it. It's
You
okay.
need to wait here.
Yeah, it's okay. You guys leave.
No. Steph, just
Hold
stay
on.
here.
Why are
Just stay
you
here.
bullying me?
I'm not bullying you. You can't leave.
You kind of are
we
bullying
can't
me,
let you leave
though.
in the state you're in. We have to take care of you. You can't take care of yourself.
Can we literally do it like publicly? As in, like, I know country wise, I know literally wise.
What?
I know, like,
You know
I know
country.
literally wise.
What's your
I
favorite
know
country?
lyrically wise.
Lyrically?
Yes. So
What's your
I
favorite
know
lyric?
what time it is when it comes to me knowing what time it is.
Hell yeah. Respect.
Yeah.
I get you on that. I know what time it is when I need to know what time it is too.
So, Gordo, what are you doing?
I'm helping you out.
Gordo, help me.
What do you mean don't help you? We gotta help you.
Gordo, help me.
You call me Gordo? I'm not Gordo. That's rude. Am I Gordo?
Oh, so that means you're disrespect.
That's not what that means.
That means you're disrespect.
I'm disrespect.
Yeah. That means you're just straight disrespect. And I don't give a fuck about you,
Relax.
nor anybody around that. So, Gordo around where? Bitch,
Don't
fuck
grab my
fucking Gordo. Bitch, don't grab my hand. Where?
No. Alright, you're done.
Bitch, fuck Gordo where?
Stephanie, we didn't want that to happen, but guess what? You walked right into that one. Sorry for your look.
Yeah, that's tough. Ooh, she's trying to slip her cuff.
You might want to stack her. She might try to skin the cat on you.
You know what?
I would never.
I don't even know what that means.
If you guys want to hold her arms, I'll put her in these so she can't get it out. You guys are good. You can go back inside. Yeah, we'll take care of it. I might be able to slip them over the... maybe not. Here, take one of my time.
Y'all are so disrespectful. That's so sad.
You did this to yourself.
When you
I
watch,
didn't
when you
do
watch the video later,
nothing.
you'll see that we gave you every opportunity we could possibly.
No,
do.
I did. I really did. And you literally like give everything like nothing. But that's okay. That's okay. I know exactly the type of people that you are.
Anyone got medical scissors on? Yeah, I do. Let me cut it.
I know exactly the type of people that you are. Papi, put them exactly who they are, exactly.
Appreciate it.
Gordo, put them exactly who they are.
I'll pop her up on you.
Some piece of shit.
Yeah.
Maybe if we can get a rabbit over here.
Yeah.
I'll talk to one.
Do we have a cage I can pop
Yeah, I'm a whole
Sit
person.
her down. Here, sit down.
So I know exactly who each and every one of y'all are.
Sit.
There you go, right there.
Yeah, I know exactly who y'all are.
Stephanie was charged with assault on law enforcement, obstruction, and battery on law enforcement. The court found probable cause, appointed a public defender, and released the defendant on a $2,000 bond with conditions of no alcohol or drugs. Prosecutors later filed only the battery charge, and the defendant pled not guilty. The case was continued to a plea conference on November 13, 2025, before Judge James Nutt, and is still open as of today's date.